Hello, everybody. Uh, I was not going to make this video, but I am. I'm going to make it. I actually feel sorry for Donald Trump, and I never thought I would say that. I actually feel sorry for Donald Trump because Elena Habba. Listen, y'all, listen. I know this is supposed to be a fun debate, and it is funny to me. It ain't funny to some of y'all, but it's funny to me. Elena Habba is the worst lawyer in America. I, I'm telling you, she didn't even know the proceedings of court, of federal court room. The judge had to call 3 breaks, 3, to try to coach her in how the proceedings go in federal court. She didn't even know how to present evidence. She didn't know how you're supposed to tag the evidence for exhibit A, B, C. She didn't know none of that. And if y'all think I'm lying, that's why I told y'all I love the Midas touch. I love Ben Marsalis and all them. They tell it like it is, because you know what? They are in the courtroom while it's going on. They're allowed in there. So they know firsthand because they're in there. So I get a lot of my information from the Midas touch. Because I told y'all videos ago, they tell it like it is. Donald Trump trying to file all these frivolous appeals and all that stuff, that is not gonna go anywhere. Anywhere. So you think that these folks gonna have any kind of pity, empathy for you? All the stuff you done said in the social media about the judges and their families and all that kind of stuff. Having these people doing all that swatting, talking about the judge is hurt or the judge done got shot, and then the police come in there hot, ready to shoot anything that moves. That is ridiculous. And it's against the law. They're already cracking down on that. The FBI is. And they making that a felony. Well, it's already a felony now. So people, if you're doing that, it's probably already too late to say you're behind. Because they got your recording, they got your number and all that stuff. Ask Donald Trump, can they get your stuff? They can get your stuff in a heartbeat. You think they ain't gonna find out who y'all are? They are. And you're gonna have a prison record, because that's where you're going. You're going. So y'all MAGA people, if y'all keep doing that, it's just a matter of time before you get a knock at your door. And it ain't gonna be the knock that you won't answer. I'm telling y'all, stop with the foolishness. These folks are not playing. These judges and lawyers and prosecutors, they are not playing games at all. Everything Donald Trump tries, every time he try to file something, denied. Every time he try to stall something, denied, because they already know that's all he's doing, trying to stall for time to try to get to the election. Not gonna work, Donald Trump. They know that's what you're doing. They already know what you're doing. And then your lawyers filing that claim against Phony Willis about the divorce of one of her people, and it backfired on that lawyer's wife. Because Phony Willis filing paperwork on her. So by you okaying them to unseal your marriage, your divorce and stuff, you just got yourself in trouble. You messing with Phony Willis. Phony Willis don't play games. And she already done did the legal paperwork and everything associated with that. So now it's gonna be some more stuff. Donald Trump, you just digging a hole, bro. You digging a hole. When you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. That's common sense. If you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. I don't know how else to tell you. Stop shooting yourself in the foot is what I'm saying. Because Donald Trump, you've been doing that for a whole year. Everybody thought it was funny when you got on social media talking about these judges, talking about these prosecutors, and little do you know, these the same people that's gonna take you down. In case you don't understand, you don't put fuel on fire. Not a bad combination. Put fuel on fire. If you put enough on there at one time, you get an explosion. Be careful, people. Be careful. They're gonna protect these judges and these prosecutors. These police will shoot you graveyard dead. Graveyard dead. For something really, really, really immature and stupid. Swatting. That's teenage stuff. Well, of course, I understand who y'all doing it for. Because really and truly, to be honest with you, I thought Donald Trump was smarter than he is. I knew he was stupid because he thought he could get away with everything. I knew he was stupid in that regard. But the stuff that he's doing, these frivolous, it's just frivolous. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's starting not to even be fun no more. Because everything is happening just like I said. Everything is happening just like I said. And it's only going to get worse, people. It's only going to get worse. It ain't going to get no better. So, MAGA people, all I can tell y'all is stop the foolishness. Stop the foolishness. Making these prank phone calls, this swatting, gonna get you in big trouble. Big trouble. Big trouble. But anyway, I just had to say that because I've been saying it the last couple of days. A lot, and Miss Habba is pathetic. As a lawyer, she is pathetic. Pathetic. And Donald Trump, you ain't got no choice. You're gonna have to have her. All your lawyers quit on you. It's a revolving door with you and lawyers because you don't want to listen at nothing. You don't want to listen at the law because you got disdain for it, but you're still trying to break it. Make that make sense, people. He got disdain for the law because he think he's above it. That's why he in all this stuff. It ain't because no conspiracy theory. Come on, people. Conspiracy theories don't lead to 91 indictments. I've never seen conspiracies lead to 91 indictments. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, in March, when he start court, he's gonna be convicted before in a trial. He ain't gonna win no presidency because they're gonna drop him like hotcakes. You getting ready to start seeing states drop him. I think it's already like 14 in line now. So his little aspirations for the White House again, where he can scam money from other presidents, like he was doing the first time, and the first time he was in the White House plotting this stuff like this. But that's what he was doing in the White House. He wasn't leading no country. He was trying to pad his pockets and befriend presidents so he can fatten his pocket further. But guess what? Everything that goes up must come down. Donald Trump, it's your time to come down. Because all this stuff you've been getting away with for 30 years, it finally done caught up with you. Finally. So, this rhetoric that it's a conspiracy theory, is a witch hunt, it wasn't never no hunt. They knew it was you. They ain't had to hunt you. They knew it was you. So what a hunt at? And if it was a hunt, you was easy to catch. They just wanted to know how many fish you had with you. So they didn't indict them. Along with you. You see that now, you imposed Rudy Giuliani. I ain't heard nothing back from you. I think Rudy Giuliani, you better go to Sam's, Costco, whichever one you like. Go and get you some supplies right now. Because you're not going to even have no money to even buy toilet paper before it's over. Well, it'll be state issued for long anyway. You and Donald Trump. y'all be getting state issue. It ain't gonna be federal issue. It'll be state, because you try to overturn a state election. So it'll be state. So it's funny to me. I don't get the responses that I was getting from Donald Trump support. I still get some, but not how it was like a month ago, 2-3 weeks ago. I think it's because y'all beginning to see that these folks ain't playing. These folks are not playing with y'all, and they are gonna indict y'all and convict y'all and put y'all in a hole somewhere. So be careful, people. Like I said, I don't hate nobody. I don't hate Donald Trump. I don't hate his supporters. You support Donald Trump, I respect that. I can't do nothing else but respect it. I'm not gonna disrespect you because you're a Trump supporter. I'm not doing that. I'm just not. And for obvious reasons. Like I told y'all in videos ago, I'm a disabled veteran and I just don't like what he tried to do with our democracy. I just don't, that'll never sit well with me. Never. So, not gonna hold y'all. I'm finna get over here and work on my motorcycle a little bit, clean it up. I'm got to upgrade some stuff on there. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's in the background back there. So, like I told y'all, we be riding. We're gonna get more riders and we'll film that and everything else. So, just stay tuned. But anyway, Funny Bone gonna leave now. I'm gonna go in there and look at some more embarrassing stuff about Atlanta Habba. And I told y'all she a female Donald Trump. All that stuff she said in the media and stuff, that's not what's going on in court. In court, they getting hammered. And then y'all say, what court he get? Everyone up. He gonna get hammered in every court he go in. I'm just bracing y'all for it. That's what's gonna happen. If you don't believe me, keep watching. Keep watching, because I know I am. It's starting to get fun. Really fun. Because I knew I served this country. I know this country. I did a lot of stuff when I was in the military. I know. Being a dictator and a traitor, you're going to find out just how great America is. You're going to find out. But, like I said, Funny Bone is getting ready to go. I will holler at y'all tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and look at some more stuff for Miss Habba. Crazy name. Habba. I'm going to go look at some stuff with her. See what's going on with her. See what else that went on in court. How many times she made the judge snap on her. Because he snapped on her a couple times. So, Trump, all I can say is, buckle up. Just like I've been saying for months. Buckle up. Because the time is coming. The time is drawing near. Very near. And you're going to be in there in the court looking like you always look. Like you lost and constipated. And got diarrhea all at the same time. It's all right. You got that to depend on. It'll catch it. Most of it. Now, when we see the courtroom scattered like they be doing sometimes, we know what it's for. Anyway, Funny Bone out.